Hey guys, it's your boy Khalid, just got evicted from the Big Brother house, and I'm here with some of the comments that you amazing people have left. A big. Hope seeing I know just dropped my father. Okay, so let's get into it. So the first comment at Haiti_you_baby says, Amaka saying it's Khalid's destiny to go home while Daniela is laying under the covers is destiny. Ow! Destiny is a huge word, but I mean, it's Maki Billions, she's a sweetheart, and I still love her. Love and light all the way. Second one, at Darius Muse says, if Khalid did not leave, he was going to mess Daniela's game up. Two of them need to rest. Still love and light, and no go rest at the end of the day, so hope say no go pain. Okay, at Prixnar, Khalid seems very controlling and weird because Daniela wasn't out of control drunk at all. I don't think this ship will end well. I mean, at the end of the day, it's just communication. You know, you have to voice out your likes and dislikes, and we've done that properly, so we're good, all right. At Premium Queen 1, what pains me is that this Khalid is using Daniela, and it hurts me so badly. I'm so sad. I mean, if you think about it, we're both using each other, so it is what it is. Okay, at Mr. Jemba, oh, I like that name. At least Daniela can now drink her alcohol in peace. Last, everybody go do it in the one do, but at the end of the day, you still have to voice. That's the end of the comments, and I know there will be a lot more. Hopefully, they'll be a little bit more intriguing, you know, but I thank you guys, and I appreciate everyone. Big Brother was an experience. I love the fans. You know, love that you guys got me this far, because at the end of the day, even if I was on the show, it's you guys, you know, that helped me to get this far. So all love and light.